come with me to a homemade pasta making class that takes place at the AC Hotel in downtown Salt Lake City, Utah. First, you will meet Chef Daniela de Oliveira, who is Brazilian. She's done this for 15 years as a private chef, and now she's doing these cooking classes. This event was held by Cocusocial, and while you're waiting for the class to start, you can help yourself to any of these seasonal cocktails, and the bartender can actually make you any drink that you would like. So I myself love a good espresso martini. Then we kicked off the class, we went around the room, broke the ice, met everybody, and while they're taking the class today, then we went to our assigned cooking stations, which was really nice and enjoyable. We made this bruschetta off camera. It was so fresh and delightful, absolutely delicious. Then we started adding water to begin the process of making our hand-rolled cavatelli pasta. Now, the hardest part of this was just kneading the dough. This was probably the most time-consuming part of the whole entire class, just to make sure you have the right balance of water and making sure that the dough is soft enough so that way it doesn't come out too doughy at the end. So this took quite some time. I suggest if you're going to take this class, skip arm day because you're really going to get a good arm workout working on this. Then we learn how to properly chop up our garlic in a quick, fast way so that we can include it in our spinach-pecan basil pesto, which we also made off camera. We then, after having the pasta rest for a little while, we took it out of the plastic wrap, cut it in 5 different sections. So that way we can begin kneading the pasta now into skinny little rolls, and then we'll cut it even further, as you will see soon enough. This is actually the most fun, entertaining part of the class. Once we kneaded the pasta in these small noodle-like shapes, we then take this other tool to chop it up into individual itty-bitty pasta sizes so that we can roll it then and design our pasta a specific type of way so that it gets the cavatelli shape. There is definitely a certain level of precision that I've noticed is common when you are doing this class, so it is pretty tedious and it took me some time, but it is enjoyable once you get to enjoy the end result. We then boiled our pasta between 3 to 6 minutes, depending on how thick it is. This is reality versus expectation. Mine came out like doo-doo as per usual, and the chef made us brigadeiro, which is a famous Brazilian dessert. It is absolutely fun. If you're out here by yourself, I suggest you book in advance. Tickets go fast. You can find them on Eventbrite or Cocusocial's website. Take care.